Alright, welcome to Scratch tutorial number 1. Today we're going to talk about terminology. Get a better understanding of what we're looking at. Now, here in Scratch, if you have your books, go ahead and open up to page 4. Here in Scratch, this main area where we're going to see most of the activity is called the stage. This whole area here. And these are where the sprites will appear. Now the sprites are these objects down here. They're the objects that move around the stage. We can open up this here and get choices of other sprites to add into our project. We can move them around the stage. This area here is known as the script area. It's the area used to place blocks for scripts. Now scripts are what are going to direct our sprites and tell them how they're moving around the stage. Up at the top we have our tabs. Scripts is here, costume, and then sounds. In each of these tabs there are different categories. So here we have motion, look, sound, pen, data, events, control, sensing, operations, and more blocks. Now when we're looking at our sprites, we have a couple different ways that we can know where they are. Everything on the stage is set up in an X which is horizontal, and then Y which is vertical axis. As you move the cursor around the stage, you notice at the very bottom here, it tells you what your X and Y coordinates are. These down here will follow wherever your cursor is. That's why you see them continually changing. However, if you want to know the X and Y location for your sprites, you have two ways that you can find that out. By clicking on the sprite, you'll notice over here in the script area, it gives you an X and a Y axis of its current location. If I were to move over to the cat sprite, it would then tell us what the cat sprite's X and Y location is. Currently it's at 0, 0. Also, you can find this information if you click the eye for more information on your sprite. It tells you the X and Y axis here and there. Then if we move on to this one, same thing, X and Y axis. While we're here, we'll also mention that this is a good place to rename your sprites. So you have the freedom to do that there. Besides the stage and the sprites, the thing that you'll be working with most are going to be the blocks. And each category has a different set of blocks. We'll be taking these blocks and dragging them over to the script area. And if you want to get rid of a block, you can simply drag it back into this area. Now the stage is the background of the stage backdrop is the background to the stage. That can be changed over here. You can grab whatever you like. You even have the option of uploading it from the computer, taking a picture, or drawing. In the same way, if you wanted to add a sprite, you have the option of painting a new sprite, uploading it from the computer, or taking a picture. That's going to be all for our terminology video. Stay tuned for more tutorials as they come.